Hi, so today we are going to perform another experiment on serial communication only. And in that experiment, we have to interface 12 LEDs to Arduino Uno, and we have to arrange LEDs as mentioned below. And we have to write an Arduino script to generate LED running pattern based on the number entered in the serial number. Like that, if we press 1, then the LED should blink clockwise direction, and if we press 2, then LED should blink anti-clockwise direction. And on 3, they have to blink simultaneously, and on 4, we have to turn on odd number LEDs and turn off even numbered LEDs. So now let me show you the circuit. This is all about the hardware. As you can see, I've connected this is LED1 L1, and I've connected the LED1 is to digital pin 13. Now all other LEDs are connected to their digital number only. Like this is LED2, so I've connected this to digital pin 2. See here, and this is LED12, so I've connected this to digital pin 12 only to make you comfortable with the code. So let me show you the code. In word setup, I've given the serial begin 9600. This is the baud rate, and I've also given a this loop where I've given the value of I equal to 13, and I is reducing by 1 until the value of I will become 1. So by this loop, the pin mode I is equal to auto. So all the digital pin we are taking all output from all the digital pins. That's only the we have used this loop for. And now I am taking here also I have taken the integer as num equal to 0. In void loop you will see why I have taken this integer, and this is the command serial available. We are checking if serial available is greater than 0, then only this switch statement will take place. Now we are taking the value of integer, which integer is placed in the serial window, and we are storing that in the num serial parse integer that will return the value of int in num. And now we are checking through the switch of num. If value of num is 1, then this case will take place. Like we remember that on pressing 1 we have to blink all the LEDs clockwise. So we have to blink LED 30, this LED1 which is connected to digital pin 13 for, one time. So like this I have given high to LED pin the digital pin 13, that is LED1, all other low. Like that, with a delay of 200.2 seconds, I have given high command to digital pin 2, like that is LED with connected to digital pin 2, LED2. Likewise I have given all commands. So see, up to 13 I am giving one by one with a delay of 0.2 seconds high command to every LED. And on case 2 we have to blink all the LEDs anti-clockwise. So this is case 1, and 1 2 3 7 10 11 12. So here I have given the break. And now case 2, if the value of num is 2, then we have to blink anti-clockwise. That means we have to blink LED 12 first. So like here you can see only I have given the command to LED 12 only high, and all the digital pins I have given 0, that is low command, no low signal value. And with the delay of 0.2 seconds I am giving the high command to digital pin 11, means LED 11. So that will make all the LEDs blink anti-clockwise. Like that case 2 will work. I'm giving 1 to 10, then 9, then 8, 7, 6, 4 up until LED 3, 2 digital pin 13, that is LED 1. Likewise here 1 is given to 2. Now the last is this, and given those, this is case 3. In case 3 we have to blink all the LEDs simultaneously. So same only, we will give a high command to all the LEDs at a time, and with a delay of 0.5 second we will give low command to all the LEDs. And in case 4 we have to blink even and odd wise. So in first of all we will blink LEDs at even, that is 2 4 6 8, and so I am giving all the high command to all the even LEDs. And with a delay of 1 second I am giving the high command to the LEDs which is connected to odd number, and low command to all the LEDs which is connected to even number. So this is all about the code, and let me show you the simulation. This is the serial window, and if I press 1, you will see these are blinking clockwisely. 1 2 3 4 5. This is blinking clockwise, and now let me press 2, and you will see these are blinking anti-clockwise direction. See, it is anti-clockwise. Let me show you 3, and see, it's taking some time. See, they are blinking simultaneously, and 4. Oh, these even out. Now it's blinking. Now this is blinking. So as you have seen, this code is working, and I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching it. Have a great day.